Hey, we back for another video, man. It's your boy RT the Joke. We back for another one. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment on the video. Give me your feedback. Give me your input. All that good stuff. Today, man, we got some goodies. We went and picked up something today, man, and I just wanted y'all to see it. Wanted to check them out, you know what I mean, on camera. And yeah, man, if you see what we got over here, you can almost imagine what we got going on over here. So what we went and picked up, Summit luckily had it in stock. The Summit Racing store here in McDonough, Georgia. And so we rolled down there and picked them up. Without further ado, we're gonna let y'all see what's going on. I already opened them to make sure they came with the factory lid, BTR lid. But see what's going on. See what's going on. So we finna open this thing up, let y'all check this out. We're gonna do it like that. So we got something else too. We got receipts from Summit. Another reason I'm doing this video, because when I looked on Summit's site, right, and I was looking for I needed these lifters that I could pick up today instead of ordering them from BTR, because the post office is too fucked up right now, so I ain't even trying to take that chance. So y'all trying to find some lifters I could pick up today, man. And on Summit's site, it said that somebody said that they got some lifters that didn't come in the original packaging. It said that they lifters came in a plastic bag, and they put a picture up there on the site of the BTR lifters. So at first, I ain't gonna lie, I was a little skeptical. I'm like, shit, they better not put my lifters in no bag. So before I even took them from the counter, man, right there at the counter when they gave them to me, I literally cracked them open to make sure they came with the original BTR lid. So if you see what that is, that's what that is. That's why I had to take it off to remove it. You did? But without further ado, man, here we go. Okay. Looking good so far. It did come with some packaging. I think I took it out. I took it out earlier. Oh yeah, here goes the lube. We got some cam lube. Assembly lube for the cam when I install it. We might put these on the lifters, I don't know. But nevertheless, we got lube. You did. Alright, man, let's check these lifters out, man. I've been looking at these things for months. I've been looking at different lifters for months. And I finally just pulled the trigger on these. But let's check it out. Let's take my phone down real quick. Okay, the little lid come off easy. Here we go, let's check them out. Okay. There's the lid. Okay, BTR. See if these things are already oiled up. Yeah, they got something on them. They definitely lubed up. Yeah, okay, BTR. I'm geeked up, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm excited, dog. I'm like a kid in a candy store, man. When you get old, when you get my age, man, you know what I mean? I don't know about you, but nigga my age, man, shoot. This is like our toys, you feel what I'm saying? This is like our toys, man. This is like the toys you get from the store that we can't wait to get home to open up Like, this is it right here. These some expensive toys now, but these like our toys, man. These things looking good. Oh yeah, they definitely soaking in something, because when I pulled that one up, oh no, ain't nothing in there. So these things looking good, man. So they say that this tray right here is for them to soak before you install them. You feel me? So for them to soak overnight, you can use this tray. You dig what I'm saying? And that's super convenient. I mean, it's a lot of money to pay for a fucking tray. And they got Delphi LS7 lifters everywhere, but this is a respected brand, man. This is a reputable brand. And yeah, you hear a lot of good things about them. You hear bad things about them too, man. You hear bad things about everybody lifters. Shit, there's people got something to say bad about Johnson lifters, so it is what it is. But overall, this is pretty much the standard BTR lifters. We got the valve springs in the cut. We got the valve springs in the cut. We got the BTR trays, good standard trays. These are sturdy. You know, we got the cam over there at the car. Put this thing back over there. We got the cam over there at the other Silverado. Already, y'all seen that. Y'all seen the video on that. If you haven't, it's on my YouTube. But yeah, man, we locked and loaded, man. We got the lifters. I'm excited about this, man. I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, here go the paper. Here go the paper that came with them. Okay. Let's get your shot down. Okay. Yes, sir. The wheels should be washed. That'll remove the stiff packaging grease used during lifter assembly. Then recommend you check those before soaking. Man, that's dope, man. Alright, BTR, we're gonna do exactly how y'all said it, baby. You did. We're gonna do it how y'all said it, man, but we locked and loaded, man. We got lifters, we got valve springs, we got all our gaskets, we got the cam, we got the computer, we got all the little knick-knack stuff. We got a couple things I'm waiting on, and that's basically just preference. You feel me? Basically just how I want to do it, but yeah, anything that we need right now for the DOD delay, we pretty much got it. So I just gotta take the heads to the machine shop. I said I was gonna get these lifters last, man, but I just couldn't help it, man. I had to pull the trigger on them, man. I got tired of looking at them, looking up lifters every other night, looking up parts. It's like, now that I got them, it's like, you know, like, I don't know, it's like some stress removed. You know what I mean? It's like one less thing to worry about, basically. So yeah, we got everything locked and loaded, man. Like, share, subscribe. If you following the journey, man, tap in, man. Let me know what you think, man. Do y'all think this bitch gonna crank? Let me know if y'all think the car. Let me know if y'all think the truck gonna crank, man. Be honest. Let me know. Shit, it probably don't. It probably do. You dig? So yeah, man. Like I said, man, appreciate y'all for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Comment on the video. If you subscribe to the channel and you're a returning viewer, coming back watching videos, man, Tap in, man. I ain't said you owe me, nigga, but act like you know me. We out, man. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.